to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Melissa here, and today we are in Leiden right now, such a beautiful city. And today there is a Japan market going on, so we're gonna check it out. Let's go! Every year, there's a Japan market going on here in Leiden. They are selling various items that are mostly imported from Japan, which I'm going to show you in this video. As you can see, most of the items they are selling here are very detailed and very good in quality. You know, just like how Japanese products are well known for. There's also a stall where someone can teach you how to play shogi, a Japanese version of chess.
Als ik met een klant bezig ben, mag ik het graag even uit. Alsjeblieft. Dit is een matcha klopper. Dat is een dingetje om een matcha te kloppen. Ja, die hebben wij.
Look at the crowd! Everyone is so enthusiastic because this event only happens once a year. I was a little bit disappointed since there is no Japanese food stalls available here. But overall, it's an interesting event. We decided to hop on to one of the boat tours to enjoy this beautiful city.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, do you wonder? If we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, do you wonder? If we could run it back.
I really think that Leiden is so beautiful. It is probably one of the most beautiful cities in Netherlands that I've ever visited. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you might want to check my other videos too. Bye!
I had to get up, down the road.